Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Funky Diamond, and today is all about this quick turban style. It's a turban tutorial, and I'm really sorry because when I was recording I was just trying it, but it's come out to be very nice, and I just thought of putting it up here. And when I was editing it, we see that it's not really detailed, but please kindly follow the steps as I'm going. I make it as slow as possible for you to understand each step. Right here, I'm just trying to fold the scarf a little bit on top. Then I'll be changing it to the opposite side because I want to take it from behind. So I pick the scarf from behind, and I'm going to be crisscrossing the 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 scarf at one side, not in the middle but just at the side. So I'm just trying to crisscross it just to have a knot on that side. And after this, I just try to tuck in what I put underneath the scarf. That will help the style I'm trying to do. So right now I pick the both end, then I cross it over, but then the one in front is going behind, but I'll be showing you in a minute. Just enjoy the tutorial to the end. I hope you get what I'm trying to do. If you tried this method, kindly please send me a picture, because this is, at times I just sit down, I want to do a head wrap on my head, I just come out with styles. But I'm so glad that I was able to record this one, because most times when I do that I don't record them, and when I want to try to do them again I don't get the exact style. But I was so glad that I was recording this while I was trying this style, and the outcome is not bad. But because I told you my intention was not to post it, but then when I was looking at the videos, because I made this video last year around November, I think, or December, maybe first week of December. But when I was looking at the video, I was like, wow, this is not too bad, even though some parts, the head part, the head, like the full head. But I don't think this is actually bad. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you like it. I'm just trying to knit it just to put it in place the way I want it to be, and that's all, guys. That's all about the tutorial. So if you try it, please do not forget, send me a picture, and please, if you like it, leave a comment. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe if you are watching me for the first time. See you guys in my next video. Bye.